highway. Made it, Geordie.
It's cool, man.
Yeah. Alright, let's get in there. Alright, Lightning Ridge, 2 nights. It was awesome. Luckily we had the day not riding anywhere in the other because it rained all night. Anyway, try and get out of here and push on to Goondiwindi today. See you when we get there. Alright, Geordie?
Yep.
Alright. You can see how much rain we've had. Look how muddy everything is. Thank God we didn't have to go anywhere. That we'd arranged to stay a second night. Just changed that one, luckily. I don't know what we would have done. Would have tried to see if we get accommodation somewhere for the night, or would have had to ride in it. Would have been horrible. I've been lucky back home. I've had torrential rain and I would have been working in it as a postie. Would have been horrible. Thank you, Lightning Ridge. Awesome place to stay, awesome meals, awesome staff. Met Pete Cook up there from Outback Opal Hunters TV series. What a top bloke he is. Alrighty, let's go. Oh, we mightn't be able to get in there. Just want to see what the heck it is. Don't do it. Man, that's terrible. That is so slippery. Oh my God. Wish I didn't come in here now. Oh God. What the hell is it? It's a car. I can't believe you came up there.
What?
I can't believe you came up there. It's horrible.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Oh man. Oh, there it is, Stanley. I don't really want to get off the bike, it's that greasy here. What do you want to do? Just keep going then?
Yeah, I don't need to get off.
No, me either. Let's get out of here. How slippery is this stuff? Shocking. Jordan's on a road bike. Oh God. Wow. That wasn't what I thought it would be like, but anyway. Very greasy in there. What have we got here? easy, we're right. Had some rain alright then. Oh, that's a bit deeper. Gravel road, for fuck's sake. Bloody hell. Fucking crazy. Highway, roadworks. How ridiculous. What have we got? A bit of a detour. Okay. Dropped a bit. Oh. These silos, I don't know if they're grain, I guess there must be grain. It goes on trains and trucks, I don't know. But yeah, massive structures in there. Quite a regular size. Massive. Indicator Gunda windy and a hot shower and a scotch. Can't wait. See you there. Well, almost there. Big day, around 400 kilometres. We've had rain and roadworks. This side of this river, what river is it? I can't remember what it's called. This is New South Wales, and when we cross over, we're into Queensland again. The New South Wales, oh, wow, and Queensland. And where am I going? Following this road, and it's just where? Turn right. There it is, the Gunsynd. Yeah, pretty long day, especially when it's only about a high of 16 and raining. Where are you going, mate? Alright, all good. Oh, what are they doing there? Here we are. Just have a look at the state of the bike after all of that. And that's just from the road works and stuff like that. Wow. Anyway, we made it. Made it, Geordie.
It's cool, man.
Yeah. Alright, let's get in there.